This is a Wallace perimeter security gate tutorial. Changing and adjusting a FoldSmart gate drive belt. A FoldSmart gate's drive belt sometimes requires a change due to general maintenance or because of damage. We recommend changing the belt every 2 years as part of your preventative maintenance program. To access the drive belt, you'll first need to remove the covers from the gearbox housing attached to each FoldSmart gate column. You will need a T27 Torx security bit to remove the security screws holding the covers in place. Once the covers are removed, you'll see the belt bridging the gap between the motor pulley and the gearbox pulley. To remove the existing belt and prepare to install the new belt, the 4 motor mount bolts need to be loosened. The motor mount bolts will require a 9/16 box end wrench or a 9/16 socket. Once the bolts are loosened, you can move the motor closer to or further away from the gearbox, allowing the belt to be positioned at proper tension. Move the motor toward the gearbox so that the old belt can be removed. Place the new belt around the motor and gearbox pulleys, and then pull the motor away from the gearbox. Ensure there is enough tension on the belt so it will not slide off the pulleys, and then tighten 1 motor mount bolt enough to hold the motor in place. Using 2 fingers, ensure that each side of the belt can move about a 1/4 inch laterally. Adjust the position of the motor as needed, and then ensure all 4 motor mount bolts are retightened. The belt should not be over-tightened, as this will contribute to early wear and possible belt breakage. If you would like to order a belt, call 1-866-300-1110 or email us at service@wallaceperimetersecurity.com and ask for part number MX002107.
Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please call us at 866-300-1110.